Cycling officially began as a sport on 31 May 1868. The first race was in the entrance of Saint Cloud Park in Paris. On the other hand, paracycling has come a long way since its debut at 1984 Paralympic Games. As a fun fact, paracycling was first developed by cyclists with a visual impairment. So, what it's about? Cycling, both Paralympic and Olympic, improves strength, balance, and coordination. Also, cycling is a sport in which a bicycle is used to travel circuits. Let's try it. Some things you need to know. To compete in paracycling, you must have a visual impairment or a physical disability. Paracycling riders use a similar bike as able-bodied cyclists on Olympics. Usually, races challenge you with a lot of curves and turns until the last 200 meters. Basically, to compete, you need a helmet, a special suit, gloves, and shoes. For cycling, you need a bicycle, but for paracycling, you need a tricycle or other transport depending on the disability.
Which laws and forces are applied in cycling? First, we have contact forces, starting with muscle direct force, especially in the legs when I pedal. This means that this movement is a pull, and I am applying direct force between my leg and the pedal. Next force I use is friction, because without friction I would slide. That means that more friction, less motion. Less friction, more motion. We have friction between many places, between my hands and the bicycle handlebar, also between my shoes, my feet and the pedal, and between the so special between the wheel of the bicycle and the surface of the floor. Because depending on that, I will put more effort or less effort. Also, we have a resistance. A resistance stops the motion. When I am cycling, I have a resistance that stops me, so I need to put more effort to move the bicycle. Then we have non-contact forces, and the only one we have is gravity, because without gravity, this sport wouldn't be able, because I will be floating on my equipment too. Finally, the three laws of Newton. First, inertia between the bicycle and me, because when I am holding the bicycle, it stops, but if I am not holding it, it will continue in constant speed and motion. Second one, acceleration, because depending on the amount of force I am applying and depending on the mass of the bicycle, the impact will be different. That means that it will move at a different speed. And finally, the third law, action equals reaction. In cycling, the action appears when I pedal, when I move the bicycle and I put effort on it to move it. And the reaction is that the bicycle moves. It's simply as that.
Three countries in cycling and paracycling. In cycling, we have first place Great Britain, second place Netherlands, and third place Switzerland. And in paracycling, first place United States, second place Great Britain, and third place Germany. Top 3 famous players. Cyclist. First place Jason Kenny, second place Chris Hoy, third place Laura Kenny. Paracyclists. First place Alex Zanardi, second place Sarah Storey, and third place Lauren Parker.